Okay, problem number 10. Here I have 35 is equal to 5x. So trying to solve for x means we are letting the variable stand by itself, or our goal is to isolate the variable. So I'm looking at how the 5 is connected to the x. When we say 5x, we're talking about 5 times x. So the connection is through multiplication. In order to undo that or get rid of the 5, I'm going to do the opposite operation with that same number. So I'm going to divide 5x by 5. And what I do to one side of the equation, I do to the other. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. And 1 as a multiplier goes away. So these basically cancel, and you're left with x. 35 divided by 5 is 7. So that's our answer. Alright, so that's number 10. Number 12, here I have negative 30 is equal to n divided by 3. Well, if 3 is connected to the variable through division, well, opposite operation would be multiplication. And what I do to one side of the equation, I do to the other. So I'm going to multiply both sides of the equation by 3. Okay? So n over 3, n divided by 3 times 3, these 3's cancel, and you're left with n. 3 times negative 30 is negative 90. And that is the value for n. And the way to check that would be to actually plug this, or to substitute this value back into the original equation. So I look and I go, gee, negative 30, is that equal to negative 90 over 3? And if I do this division, negative 90 divided by 3 is negative 30. Negative 30 does equal negative 30. Check. Here I would do the same thing. So if I have 35 is equal to 5 times 7, does 7 times 5 equal 35? It certainly does. 35 equals 35, and there's my check for number 10 as well.